A regional party is contesting the elections of civic polls. So, in how many municipalities the Tripura is contesting, and what would be the main issues that Tripura is going to bring in the poll campaign?
In fact, it is a history of Tripura that Tripura Motha itself is a history, and it's a living history that we are setting an exemplary to the whole nation that we don't confine within the jurisdictions of Autonomous District Council area, but we are trying to reach out wherever our peoples are there. And particularly, as we have questioned that how many seats are we going to contest during the municipality election. We have promised that we will be participating as long as possible, and where our reserve ST seats are there, definitely will be contesting. But apart that, we also will be contesting the general seat. So still, it's an ongoing process. We are actually selecting a candidate. There are numbers of candidates voluntarily coming forward. So today evening again we are going to finalize. Most probably by next 2 days we will finalize, and we will be able to tell you how many candidates are particularly operations, how many candidates we will able to tell you clearly. But apart that, Nagar Panchayat also we are going to contest. So you just need to give us time 2 to 3 days before the final selection comes. Then we will have a very clear picture how many seats we are going to contest. Thank you.